How to create Weverse account. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, make sure you have downloaded Weverse app. There's a list of what this app will access on your phone. Then you wanna tap on Start Weverse on the very bottom. Then you will enter to this page where you have to select the language. I prefer English, so tapping on English and then tap Next. After that, tap on Join or Sign In. You can enter the email to sign up or log in, or what you can do is you can directly sign in from Twitter, Google, or Apple. For now, I'm using Google here. Tap on Continue, select your profile, and then enter the password to your profile. Then you will reach to this page where you wanna agree the terms of use. Tap on the tick mark on the very first option, and then other will be tick marked automatically. Then tap on Next, which is in the bottom. Now you wanna tap on Next, and then you wanna tap on Allow. For that, you wanna tap on Alter Settings. Here you wanna tap on Allow Read the following condition properly. And that is how you can create Weverse account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.